nahuli nating mud crabs this early morning. Galamay pa lang, laki naputol. Papakita ako sa inyo guys, laki. Galamay pa lang. Look at this. Mud crab. Sukatin natin. Alright. Meron tayong panukat. Ito, the minimum size of mud crabs here in Queensland is 15 centimeter. So this one is 15 centimeter, yung panukat na to. So 15, okay? So kaya natin itong sukatin. Lumalaban pa.